To draw this shape in PowerPoint, you want to go to the Insert tab, insert a circle. Make sure you press the Shift button down to get a perfect circle. Go ahead and remove the fill, make the outline bigger, and that's it. Now you also need a triangle, so go and insert shapes, triangle, and from this point you want to draw a triangle to meet the circle. Now we need this point to be somewhere here, so we're going to right click, edit points, and then drag all the way here. Once that is done, we want to select both shapes by pressing down the Shift button and clicking on them. Go into Shape Format and Fragment. Once that is done, we then want to go and delete this part, and then we want to color our shape as we wish. You can also go ahead and label your shape. I'm going to add a text box here, 3 centimeters, make that bigger. Control D to duplicate it and move it up here. That's going to be 5 centimeters. Control D, duplicate it. Move it over here. I'm going to call that 10 centimeters. And then I'm going to Control A to select all the shapes and group them together. So when we move it, everything moves along. And there you have it.